Dear students, in this video, we will learn how to write a CV for our nursing assistant, and I will share some important skills and work experience of a nursing assistant that will help you to write an excellent CV and secure your job. So let's start. Okay, first part include your introduction and it should include your name, address, city, email address, and phone number. After that, you have to state an excellent objective that will reflect your attributes, qualities, and skills. For example, you can write, you are a dedicated and compassionate certified nursing assistant with some years of experience providing exceptional patient care in diverse healthcare settings, and you are seeking to realize your clinical skills and empathic nature to contribute our reputable healthcare facilities mission to improve patient outcome and ensure their comfort and well-being. Now there comes education. You will add your degree name, it could be your graduation or any other related program. Then you have to add your certification, like you are certified nursing assistant, and you have completed or you have done some basic life support experience certifications. Now there comes the experience. Uh, when you are going to write a CV for nursing assistant, you must know what role is provided by a nursing assistant. That will help you to secure your job. For example, I have written some important services provided by a nursing assistant. First is you assist patient with daily living activities, including bathing, dressing, and personal hygiene. You monitor vital signs and report any abnormalities to nursing staff promptly. You collaborate with healthcare team members to provide comprehensive patient care. You maintain a clean and safe patient environment. For example, next one can be the just pause the video. Next, there is your other experience at any other healthcare facility. For example, your role there was you provided compassionate care and emotional support to elderly residents in long-term care facility. You assisted with meal feeding residents with who required help with eating and ensuring dietary preferences were met. You assisted nurses in administering medications and treatment as directed. Next, you can pause and read and add. As per these skills, you can add in your CV. Now, there are some important and beautiful skills that you need to add. First is the patient care. You are proficient in providing a direct patient care, including cleaning, feeding, and vital signs monitoring. Then there comes communication. You possess excellent verbal and communication skills. You are compassionate. You're empathic and caring nature. You possess excellent teamwork. You work collaboratively, and you are a collaborative team player, able to work effectively with diverse healthcare professionals. You possess excellent team management skills and technology proficient like health, electronic health record and medical equipment for patient care documentation. Three. If you have this type of skill, you must be invited for an interview, and there you can verify these skills that you possess, and I can enter for your job. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe this channel for more videos.